All right, what's up, everybody? BTB here doing 2017 Immaculate and 2017 Pantheon 2-box break. You bought us probably going to random team. The combo teams were randomized in the previous video. There they are right there. We've got 3 boxes to choose from. So 1, 2 on top, 3, 4 in the middle, and 5, 6 on the bottom. Let's roll the dice. See. A 1. So we're going to do the top boxes. Top boxes. Move this out the way. Top boxes. Immaculate Pantheon. Good luck, everyone. Matt G, thanks for coming in hard, man. Appreciate it, brother. Here we go. Let me adjust this camera down a little bit. I had it up for the Brady helmet. This is the box 3 of both cases. Up first, Ezekiel Elliott, number 34 of 30. Zeke Elliott. For the Cowboys, off of a filler. That's going to be Larry Joe. Larry Joe with the Cowboys. Oh, look at this nasty. Jeremy McNichols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 5 colors on that one. It's got several breaks in there. Too many to count, I think. That's nasty. Bento. There you go, Bento. 4 is up. Bento. It's a nasty patch on there for you, Bento. Look at this Browns patch. For the Browns, Matt G, Deshaun Kaiser, new guy mojo. Yeah, this is it, Flores. Matt G, Deshaun Kaiser. Number 24 of 49. This seems like a monster box, man. Matt G, are you still here? There's your screen name just up there. Deshaun Kaiser. Damn. Look at this one. Legendary Monuments. It's a die cut. 2 of 2. 2 of 2. Alright, are we good right now? Damn, look at that. Jerry Rice, Emmitt Smith, Walter Payton, and Marshall Faulk. Marshall Faulk. Marshall Faulk. Kaiser. Kaiser was Matt G. But this is the tight. I'm going to have to do a random on this one at the end of the break. We are having storms over here. It is storming over here, so I don't know if that's affecting the stream. I'm noticing some frames are dropping. Dang. We good? We are having storms over here. Lamar Miller. Lamar Miller for the Texans. We're good? Let me know if it starts to mess up, man. I'm conscious about that. I want to make sure you have a good experience. Houston, Lamar Miller, Robin. This is a good box. 4 of 5, and I thought the Jim Brown was the case hit. Raiders, Gerardo Garcia. Marcus Allen, 4 of 5. Marcus Allen, 4 of 5. Did you see your Kaiser, Matt G? I don't know if you saw it. I'll show it to you again. 4 of 5. 4 of 5. There's the Kaiser. 4 of 5, man. This is a nice one right here. I'll put this one up for the little wall real quick. And the last one. Carlos Henderson for the Broncos. Broncos. What's up, Gus? Broncos, Denver. RC. Where's my OCA at? Don't forget, number 4 is up in the store right now. Number 4 is up in the store right now if anybody is interested in getting in it. There it is right there. I don't even know how many haven't been taken or not. There's been 5 taken so far. What's up, man? How you doing? All right, let's go to the Immaculate. Good luck, everyone. 5 have been taken and number 4. Oh, let me. It's a fat box. Fat box. What's up, price? We pulled a Marcus Allen number to 5. Look at that. See the stretch marks on it. Damn, big old fat. All right, here we go. Good luck, everyone. Gus, you have the Skins, the Redskins. All right, up first, John Elway for the Broncos, number 99. Going to RC. Yeah, those are nice, weren't they? RC. Jared Goff. Jared Goff. That's going to be Rams. Sissy. Sissy. Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Glove. Saints. Kamara. New Orleans. Who's got New Orleans? Brandon B with the Kamara number to 48. RC, you know you got a hit right now, right? You got a hit a while ago, RC, right? I don't know if you saw it. You got the Broncos. Carlos Henderson. Juju Schuster. That's going to be Steelers, I believe, right? Steelers. Cleat card. 1 of 20. Juju Schuster. 1 of 20. One of 20. Steelers. Jason P. Jeremy McNichols, number to 99. Jeremy McNichols. Let me see who's that. That's Bucks. Buccaneers. What's up, man? Yeah. Bucks. Boise State patch. Buccaneers. Bento. Bento, the streak is over, man. Ardarius Stewart. Ardarius, let me make sure on that one. That's going to be Jets. Jets. Who's got the Jets? Can't see Jets. Matt G on Breakers. Number to 99. Matt G. YouTube dies for a bit. And last but not least, Curtis Samuel. Curtis Samuel, number 25. That's going to be Panthers. Carolina. Going out to Holiday. There you go, man. Curtis Samuel, Panthers. Going out to Holiday. Congrats, man. We got one random to do for the 2 of 2. One random to do on the 2 of 2. Curtis Samuel. So let's do the random real quick. Congrats, everybody. Number 4 is up. Pantheon has been heating up. 2 back-to-back boxes. Monster boxes. Immaculate. Case hit that. Y'all want to combine the 2? Oh no, I already got spots taken. Alright, let's do the random. Alright, we've got San Francisco, Dallas, Chicago, and St. Louis Rams. Right now it's in the store, Gus. Number 4 is in the store. There you go right there, Gus. We're gonna have, did I just roll or not? No, I haven't rolled. Here we go. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. St. Louis, LA Rams. Sissy. It says St. Louis on there. LA Rams. That's going to be Sissy with the 2 of 2. Alright, thanks everyone. That was number 3.